back to our channel. Say hi. I just want to pop on here really quick and do an intro for you guys for this video to bake a cake today. I had a lot of requests for my apple cake on Instagram, so I'm going to show you guys that recipe, and I'll be sure to link all the ingredients down below that I used. If for some reason you ever have a question, you're going to hear the dogs outside because they're right there on the back porch. If for some reason you guys ever have a question regarding a recipe that I've made or something I've posted, it's usually on my Instagram, and I will go ahead and put that right here on the screen somewhere for you guys. But we will go ahead and hop on into the video. Alright y'all, so to make this cake you're going to need yellow cake mix, vanilla, ground cinnamon, and 3 Granny Smith apples. You'll also need brown sugar later on. I'm just going to start by making the regular cake mix as instructed by the box. This is actually the first time I've allowed Ellie to help me bake something. She was pretty curious as we went along, but definitely did not want to be very hands-on. After I got all the ingredients added in, I went ahead and tried to mix it. As you can see, Ellie was pretty scared. She has been having some sensory issues, so we've been working really hard to try and get her out of her comfort zones. Once we mixed the cake mixture up, I went ahead and added in cinnamon as well as vanilla. I personally like the Mexican style vanilla better. I think it has more flavor, but regular vanilla will do. Off camera, I went ahead and diced up 3 Granny Smith apples. Before adding them in, I just went ahead and mixed in the vanilla and cinnamon into the cake mixture, and then I added the apple chunks. Instead of mixing them in with the hand mixer, you want to make sure you stir them in, that way you're not breaking up the apple pieces. Then I just went ahead and sprayed my baking sheet with some non-stick cooking spray. This is the most important part and what makes your cake taste so delicious and keeps it so moist. You want to make sure you pour in only half of the cake mixture at first. Then you're going to add a small layer of brown sugar over the entire part of the cake on top. Once you do that, you're going to add the additional amount of cake batter on top of that and swirl in the brown sugar and add just a sprinkling on top of the cake. By swirling, I mean just add a fork to the mixture. You're just going to make swirling motions, and this does not have to be perfect. The cake is going to taste delicious either way. Here's what the cake should look like right before you put it into the oven. Here's what the cake first looks like when it comes out of the oven. I'm just going to add some caramel syrup on top. This is obviously optional, but I do like to have a slice of this cake with a warm cup of coffee. This is definitely a fall go-to when it comes to baking something. It's one of my all-time favorites, and it's so delicious. And here is the finished results of the caramel apple cake. I posted a picture of this cake last week on Instagram, and you guys went nuts wanting a recipe, so I just thought I'd share this video with you guys. Hope this video gave you guys some inspiration to bake something, and if you do, please tag me on Instagram. If you're new here or if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.